Hello dear friends, welcome to our vlog. We are at Maldives now. This is Adaran Prestige Bhadu Resort at Bhadu Island. Let's have a virtual trip together. Our journey started from the airport jetty. Now we are approaching the island jetty, where you can see the hotel staffs are waiting to welcome us. We had a grand welcome. This is the entrance of the resort. Here you can see a lot of greeneries around. Everything is tastefully designed. You can relax at the white sand beach of this nice island. This is the reception of the resort. Though we had a little late check-in, but it was very smooth. Now let's have a 360-degree view of this beautiful island. Here I am standing on the wooden pathway and showing you the honeymoon cottages. These cottages offer better privacy than the other water villas. Here you can see another island, and this is the only drawback of this resort, the proximity of that island. These are the water villas. Yes, they have two types of water villas, sunset water villas and sunrise water villas. As I said earlier also, the sunset water villas or the west facing water villas are better than the east facing water villas in terms of privacy. From here you can see the big green patch, which is the actual island. This is the watch deck from where you can see the fish feeding and other activities. You can simply ignore the presence of that island and can enjoy the beauty of Bhadu Island. Please do notice the beautiful color of the ocean water. Through the wooden pathway, you can reach the water villa. Now let me take you inside my water villa. Our water villa number was 832. This is the bed. Two split ACs are there in the cottage. Room is very spacious. The queen bed in the room, comfortable and clean. This is the seating area. They provide complimentary mineral water bottles, as many as you want. The fruit platter was interesting. They do have a refrigerator, tea coffee machine with variety of tea and coffee. Variety of hard and soft drinks are kept inside the refrigerator. All are not complimentary, so it's better to check with your butler before you consume it. This is another seating arrangement just outside the bedroom. The interesting part of it is it has a portion of glass floor from where you can watch fish. The toilet area is very clean and spacious too. They have a shower enclosure. This is just outside the cottage. Rather behind the cottage, this is the personal jacuzzi. The open dining area on the cottage deck is the best part of this cottage. You can see the beautiful ocean from here. My husband was very happy to get a complimentary wine bottle. It was a big surprise. It was a real pleasure being in the plunge pool together. And the next day, he was ready for snorkeling. And this is the first time he did snorkeling. As you can access the sea from the cottage itself, it was very much private.
Yeah, we can see beautiful fish, colorful corals underneath. It was a very pleasant sight.
Even I was amazed to see the beauty of the underwater world. You can't believe it if you have not seen it. Now this is the end of the resort. The place is very calm and quiet. There is a sitting arrangement. You can sit here. You get the cool breeze. We sat there for quite some time and we enjoyed. You will feel like having a photo session over here. We also had the same. The poolside area is also very neat and clean.
Cheers!
You can relax by the sea also. There is a very nice bar. It's a shape of a boat. Bartenders are very cooperative and helpful. They are ready to serve the drinks always. In the evening, you should definitely spend time at the beach. There is a swing. Even you can swing there together. I am not a singer at all, but the beauty of the nature encouraged me to sing a romantic song written by Rabindranath Tagore. Before sunset, again we are at the end of the resort. Let's have a 360-degree view of this place. This is the seating area I told you before also. This is the wooden pathway. Both the sides, water villas are there. You can see the beauty of the vast ocean. Now we are waiting for the sunset. This is the most picturesque sight of this beautiful island. The sky is a bit cloudy, but still the view is mesmerizing. For next few seconds, hold your breath and watch the heavenly view. These are the water villas seen from the island at the time of sunset. The island is well lit, so after sunset you can roam around freely. Dinner time, they arranged live music at the restaurant. They have limited varieties of food, but the food quality is too good. You can enjoy varieties of hard and soft drinks at the bar deck. Here we are at Water Sport Point. The resort offers varieties of water sport. They have jet ski, they have snorkeling and scuba diving also.
The breakfast variety was really good. The spread was awesome. It includes fruit, juice and many other dishes you cannot count. And they had lot of delectable local dishes as well, which you can savor on. While most of the items are available on display from which you can select, there are few things you can also get made by order.
We loved that Roshi Masuni, the breakfast with Islander's touch. It was just really awesome. They also offer waffle or pancakes and other items on request. This is the time to say goodbye. We are leaving our cottage and going towards Malé Island. Leaving with the beautiful memories. Although expensive, but it's really worth visiting once in someone's lifetime. There are many resorts you can select as per your budget and choice. But believe me, this was really a great experience of our life. Thank you so much friends for watching my videos.